Good morning, Gallivanters.
Hello.
All right, y'all. So we're still in Florence, and today we've got a few things planned. I think we're going to hang out closer to the Arno and probably go to the other side and maybe check out a little bit of the Pitti Palace.
I think we are going to check out a restaurant. We're not sure. We've heard good reviews about it, called Trattoria La Casalinga.
Yep. And while we're there, we're of course going to go across Ponte Vecchio and check it out, and let you guys see kind of what's going on there.
And then we'll head on over to Palazzo Vecchio, which you can also see the Uffizi Gallery.
Yes, and there's a Fountain of Neptune there, and just lots and lots of statues, and then restaurants and other things to do. And then from there, we'll just kind of see where we end up. We hope you guys enjoy it.
See ya.
Hey, y'all.
Hey, Gallivanters.
So we just got through with dinner, and we ate at
Trattoria La Casalinga. Got some Parmesan on there, some fresh Parmesan.
It's good.
Oh my gosh, it has an awesome flavor, and the noodles are al dente.
Good.
Which is awesome.
It was very good, and we enjoyed it. It was reasonable and definitely cheaper than over around the Duomo. I mean, just as an example, a big bottle of still water was $2.50, and we've seen it as much as $7 over closer to the Duomo. So you do get a little more bang for your buck over there. And now we are sitting on, I guess, the wall, actually, of the Pitti Palace, and I'm probably not saying that right.
I think it is Pitti.
And this was, so originally it was built by a banker, last name Pitti. Oh! Hold on. Are you guys still there?
Hold on. Okay, Melinda's going to finish it.
All right, so sorry about that.
It's a little windy.
We got some wind. So anyway, this was built by a banker. I think his name was Luca Pitti in the 1450s, mid 1400s, and then ultimately the Medicis bought it. The Medicis ruled Florence and Tuscany for a very, very long time, and then I think there were two more generations of rulers after that. But today it houses 4 different museums and I think they probably say it, Boboli Gardens.
Boboli, I think, is,
which is back behind the palace here, and kind of close to Piazza Michelangelo, which is a place we love. So you get to this by walking straight across the Ponte Vecchio and just stay on that road, and you're here. We are not going to visit the museum. We've just got some other things planned, and so we don't have time for that. But I think Trace may walk you around and just show you a little bit of the outside. I mean, this place is massive.
Okay, y'all. So we are getting ready to walk across Ponte Vecchio. So, as you know, it has a bunch of shops, jewelry. It's just a really cool area. There is actually a corridor which is called the Vasari or Vasari. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Corridor. And it was actually built for the Medicis when they came into power. Now, originally the bridge was nothing but butcher shops. And when the Medicis came into power, the smell, they said it was awful. So they built the corridor, and it goes from Pitti Palace all the way to Palazzo Vecchio, where their government building is.
So we're just walking down the street, and there's somebody singing opera. So it's pretty good.
Okay, y'all, so we went over Ponte Vecchio, and now we are coming up to Pallazo Vecchio.
And this courtyard goes to
The Uffizi Gallery.
yes.
We'll walk down there a little bit. I was going to show you on Neptune. Now, last year when we were here, Neptune was closed for some restoration.
Alright, y'all, right around the corner from the Palazzo Vecchio is what they call the New Market, or Mercato Nuovo, I think. And there is a bronze pig statue here that supposedly if you rub its snout, you'll have good luck. But if for extra luck or to make a wish,
You take a coin, you put it in its mouth, and if it falls through
the grate,
then your wish will come true. There's Melinda. Stick it in there.
Didn't make it.
Oh, I didn't make it.
Didn't make it? Alright. Okay, y'all. We are actually riding the carousel. And there she is. There's Trace. On her. On her. So I am actually in the whatever this is, throne. I'm in the king's throne, I think.
Yeah, you have a crown on top.
Oh, I got a crown on top. We can't see that, but yep.
That's the backup camera.
That's the backup camera. Oh, ride's over. Hey, y'all.
Hey, Gallivanters.
So we are back in our apartment here in Florence. We had a great evening out.
Busy evening.
Yes, tomorrow I think we've got some
full
pretty,
day tomorrow.
pretty interesting plans, and then we've got a surprise for you guys for our last night here. So you'll have to stay tuned to see that video. We're kind of excited. It'll be something fun and different to do.
Oh, it'll be fun, all right.
It'll be a lot of fun. So
I'm sure you'll see a lot of laughs on that one.
Oh yeah. So that's it for tonight, and just remember, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button
And the like button.
And
if you wanted to know when our next video is coming out, hit the bell dingy dong.
so you get notifications whenever a new video is released. And all of this will be written up on our blog, so you can check all that out at gallivantinggals.com. And in the meantime, remember,
Always live your best life.
bye y'all.
See ya.